All right, so you remember this girl that poured her friend hot water? They were in court yesterday.
Hello my people, how na dey? Also na dey fine. Una do well, so na tell me dey share, comment, like. God go bless all of una. But the one where they put bad comment to everyone. The important is say una watch am. So this video, na very dark man I do. Una remember that story where be say that girl where be say he contact a very dark man, come dey tell am wetin happen to am. His best friend wey be say come pour her hot water. The best friend come still dey tell am say I never do you wetin wetin I want, na me go kpai you. Na remember the story. Now no say very dark man, so come carry the girl, come tell am say no worry, I anything by anything go take help am. Una remember so the girl lawyer, the girl wey be say he pour the friend hot water because of say they know people, dem get small money, they come dey want to dey oppress the other one wey be say dem pour hot water. Wetin come happen? Una know say they come try to settle the issue. So the girl wey be say dem pour hot water, I come say no, he no like this kind issue because your pikin still dey like threaten me for message. Very dark man even bring the video, the audio we lis ten wey come dey tell am say abi the message, come dey tell am say make you just dey wash it back. He say the ogbalegbe wey be say the girl go dey run meet, he say he know them, say na that is their men, na be that one. So they come carry the issue go court, my people. Who go dey talk say law no dey our country? Law dey o. Na if you know your way. If you no know your way, you are on your own. Law just dey. The important thing wey you know the way you want to pass am. Time me, I so much happy as a very dark man dey help people many things. They help many people. They bring a case wey be say you know say go feel like enter, you know. Then they come carry this issue go court too. So this video now where I go put for now, una go lis ten wetin very dark man talk. He said the girl wey be say come dey wey pour hot water to person, they don put am for they say make e stay there. They say make e stay there. Now you pour person hot water, now you fit tell am say, now you still tell am say ogbalegbe wey be say go dey talk to, you know them, nothing dey happen. Say na then na get that Nigeria, say make dey wash it back, say na she go kpai am. Now they put am for inside. I know say for Nigeria now something like this thing wey happen, they know the bail person, you understand. So the girl dey for inside there. As me and you dey talk, so e dey for inside there till on the 17. So make dem see the way they want to do everything, because the other girl dey fear because somebody wey be say you do bad, you come still dey prove say nothing dey happen, because that girl, the other one, come dey fear. So my brothers and sisters, law dey our country. Know your way, not because. Now if you don't know, like that one, person go dey talk say law not dey the country, the other one. Law dey. Like say this girl no cry, come out, come like very dark man, come help me. Oh, I dey fear for my life. Oh, this person na my friend before because of boyfriend. He carry hot one. He burn his friend body. He no care. He even dey tell am say I go kpai you, na me go kpai you. They wash your back, na me go do this one for person body again. So my brothers and sisters, all these people wey be say una dey find justice, una find way una take reach out to very dark man, because he still understand the way. If na some people now like this girl now, he go come dey run up and down, he go dey fear, then go dey oppress am for inside house, he no fit talk come out. That kind thing good. Our country, law dey. Now just because of say person no get money and you don't know where you want to start, and some people dey wey be say they get the money, they want make them dey oppress the other one. To the extent, the lawyer of that girl wey be say they pour hot water, the other family wey be say get money, they go see that lawyer. That lawyer not come dey carry the other girl phone again. Why? Because they don't give her some ego. You see, because our country, they value money like another thing. No people, no country don't value money. But when it comes to something like this, do what you supposed to do. If you not see his face now, I go try put the picture. When I see as he pour the water, you know, even like feel remorse, nothing. Even tell and say, wash your back. Now me, now I go buy you. Even though say may you go there find a lawyer, they go. You know, things say very dark man if you carry the issue go court. Make I put the video for now, my people, make una listen. Anything where you they do for this life, just they know say another person, wait till you say you know. Another person know and pass you. You the one where you know, now you know. The one where another person know, now the another person still know. People they thought say they not like very dark man. Person very dark man. Person like me, I like am. I like wetin e dey do. E dey try to help people. E no like oppress to dey oppress people. And una know na our country, they like that thing to oppress you. Now bye bye my people. Me I put the video for now. Una help me watch, love and share.
All right, so you remember this girl that poured her friend hot water? They were in court yesterday, and the judge asked them to remand her in prison till on the 17th of April. That is, she will spend how many weeks? I think two weeks in prison till on the 17th. Now, the reason why the judge said they should leave her there till 17th is giving the family time and grace so that they can go and appeal to the other girl, maybe settle the girl for damages and everything. But if their settlement does not go well, it means if they come back to court, possibly the girl might face a longer prison time because it is attempted murder and wounding, and those are not bailable offense. Attempted murder is not bailable offense. Wounding is not bailable offense. So all those offenses are offenses that can give you at least 4 or 5 years. If possible, if it's too low, maybe the judge will pity there, give her like 2 years. I don't know, but I just they check based on the books. Attempted murder is not a small thing. So justice has been served on that part. So it's now in the hands of the girl. Now she get the yam, now she get the knife. So whatever thing she decides, I also feel like that girl, for me, I feel like that girl needs to go to prison. You know why? They are also not remorseful because yesterday they also raised their own prayer that the other girl cyber bullied her. Although the judge striked it out. Why would you bring something like that? I said, maybe you beg, you go bring cyberbullying. Come. You understand? Meaning they wanted to challenge that case. You pour person total, you threatened to pour acid. Instead, maybe you beg us, maybe they no go call. Now go there, won't go put defense, say cyberbullying. So even if they cyberbully you, you cannot take it to the police. You go pour person total, see threaten to pour the person acid. Well, now this they do anyhow for Nigeria. To be honest, a lot of things they get away with. For another country, you go do a long time. You go do time, you go still pay for damages. The two now you go do. But let's just be hopeful. And to those people that get this kind of character, your boyfriend go sleep with one girl, you go beat her up, carry your friends, go beat her up, pour out water, do this one, collect her phone, do this one, carry boys, make they go beat her. I go to watch all of now. That's so we go put pressure till you go prison. So that we go clean the society. If you lose your men plenty for Nigeria. If man don't leave you, go sleep with another person, me say not like you again. They don't need anything. The man no feel love you, go sleep with another person. They know they do like that. You don't feel love you, go sleep with another person. Well, sometimes if you love you, go sleep with another person because some men actually don't even get control. Or sometimes things happens. But you get the way the sleeping go day. Where you gonna say they not love you again. Especially with all those Benin girls, because now on our side, now that our side there, now all those things they originate from. And once you don't carry boys, now don't go fight because of man. And if they check the man now one Yahoo boy, now where we say maybe next week, if he no pick, he will go back to the streets, go to bed. Because those are not they plan their life. Pick today, pick a $1 million today. In the next 3 months, you don't the beg person, may help you, you no get money, may use and take survive yourself and your family. Anyways, we will watch, and you all will learn, the hard way. Don't play.